Hey Sarah, some evenings I just sit on my couch, phone in my hand, staring at the screen. I really want to practice English, but my head feels empty. No words come out. I feel so alone in this. Who can I even talk to without feeling stupid? It makes my chest tight, honestly.
Maurice, I hear you. That exact feeling hits me hard too. I remember nights like that. Lights off, just me and the silence. Last month, I tried speaking English to order pizza online. My fingers froze over the chat. I switched to my language instead. Felt like I failed myself again. So heavy.
Yeah, that heavy feeling stays with you. But about a month ago, something shifted for me. I started treating AI like ChatGPT or Grok as my own personal English coach. Sounds strange at first, right? Talking to code, but it became this gentle, always there friend.
Wait, really? A robot as a coach? Tell me more slowly. Does it actually feel kind, or does it just spit out corrections like a strict teacher? I get nervous even thinking about opening my mouth alone.
It feels surprisingly kind. I begin every time with, "Hi, I'm a beginner. Please speak slowly, fix mistakes softly, and let's chat like friends." Then we just talk about breakfast I ate, how tired I feel after work, silly dreams I have. No rush, no judgment at all.
No judgment. That part alone sounds like magic. I've used those flashcard apps before. Repeat, repeat, repeat. They never cared how I felt. Do you type everything, or do you actually speak out loud now?
I do both. First week was only typing because my voice trembled too much. Then I tried voice mode. Some AIs really hear you well. They say things like, "Nice effort. Let's try comfortable again. Comfortable." I can repeat forever until my tongue gets it right.
Repeating without anyone rolling their eyes? That would change everything for me. My worst memory is at a cafe last year. I wanted a cappuccino, but said cappuccino wrong. The waiter smiled politely, but I felt so small. I pointed after that. Still hurts thinking about it.
I've walked away from places feeling exactly that small. But yesterday, I practiced the whole cafe scene with the AI. "Hi, can I get one cappuccino, please, with extra foam?" It played the waiter, asked size, hot or cold. We did it 6 times. I laughed at the end.
6 times until it felt natural? That's beautiful. No embarrassment, just practice. What other everyday moments do you work on? Things that scare me, like talking to colleagues or asking for help in shops?
So many. Asking directions, "Excuse me, which way to the market?" Or polite complaints. "Sorry, this soup is too salty. Can you fix it?" It shows natural ways to say things. Instead of, "I am angry," it teaches, "I'm really upset about this." Feels more human.
More human, yes. Listening is another big struggle for me. Songs, podcasts, friends talking, everything races by. I catch maybe 20%. Can the AI actually help with that?
Definitely. I tell it, "Speak slowly, please," or "Repeat that sentence one more time." Then I shadow. Listen once, pause, copy exactly. My ears start catching rhythm, stress, little sounds. It's like slow motion training for real conversations.
Slow motion training. I need that so badly. Have you ever asked it about confusing expressions, like phrases people throw around that make no sense to me?
Constantly. I heard "hit the nail on the head" in a video. I asked, "What does this really mean? Show me in a conversation." It explained, gave examples, then we acted it out. "You hit the nail on the head. Thanks, I try." Super easy and fun.
Fun instead of frustrating. That's huge. My biggest excuse is always time, though. Job, cooking, family calls. How do you squeeze this in without it feeling like another chore?
I keep it tiny. 5 minutes while the kettle boils, 10 minutes lying in bed, 15 minutes on the bus. No big blocks. I start mornings with, "Good morning, tell me something nice today." It replies, we chat lightly, starts my day softer.
Starting the day softer. I like that idea. What happens when my mind goes blank? I open the app and then nothing. What do I even say?
I just type, "I'm stuck today. Give me an easy topic for beginners." It suggests simple ones. Talk about your favorite color. Describe the weather right now. What did you eat for lunch? Nothing complicated. We build from there.
Weather, food, safe places to start. That reminds me of my family trip to Shimla 2 years ago. I wanted to ask the guide about the best viewpoint, but my throat closed. I stayed quiet the whole day. Still wish I had spoken.
Those quiet regrets pile up, don't they? Now I practice those exact moments first. Pretend you're a tour guide. I want to see the best view. We do questions, answers, follow-ups. When real chances come, the words feel less foreign.
Less foreign. That's what I want. I've started recording myself sometimes, but I hate hearing my own mistakes. It makes me want to delete everything. Could the AI listen to recordings too?
Yes, I send short voice notes. Please listen and tell me what sounds good and what to improve. It always starts positive. Your volume is clear. Let's soften the R sound a bit. Never harsh, just helpful steps.
Positive first. That would keep me trying instead of quitting. My speaking confidence is still so fragile. One bad moment and I hide for weeks. Has the AI helped your confidence grow outside the app?
Slowly, yes. 2 months ago, I could barely say, "How are you?" without pausing forever. Now I chat with my cousin in Canada for 5 minutes without freezing. The practice transfers. Small talks feel possible.
5 minutes without freezing? That's huge progress. I dream of that. What about pronunciation tricks? Some sounds in English feel impossible for me, like TH or V versus W.
I practice those a lot. For TH, I ask, "Show me how to put my tongue." It describes, "Put tongue between teeth, blow air gently." Then we do words, think, this, that, over and over until my mouth relaxes.
Relaxing the mouth. Yes, I tense up so much. Another thing, vocabulary. I know basic words, but real conversations need more. Does it help learn words naturally?
Very naturally. We talk about my day, and when I don't know a word, like exhausted after long work, I ask. It explains, gives sentences, then we use it. I'm exhausted after the meeting. Sticks better than flashcards.
Using it right away. That's smart. I also want to sound more polite. In my language, we have different levels of respect. English feels flat sometimes. Any help there?
I asked the same. Teach me polite ways to ask for things. It gave options. Could you please help me? Would you mind showing me? I'd really appreciate it if we practiced in role plays. Feels warmer now.
Warmer English. I want my words to feel kind too. Have you ever felt emotional during a session? Like happy or proud or even a little sad?
Yes. One night I told it, "I feel frustrated because English is hard." It replied, "That's okay. You're already doing something brave by trying. Let's keep going together." I almost teared up. Felt seen.
Felt seen. That's powerful. Most teachers never say that. They just move to the next lesson. This AI stays with your feelings. Makes me want to open it tonight.
You should. Start with one sentence. "Hi, I'm Sarah. I want to speak English more comfortably." See what happens. It will meet you right where you are.
Right where I am. Okay, I think I will. Hey friends watching, if that stuck, lonely feeling sounds like your evenings too, know you're not the only one. Mourise and I have both been there.
We still have those days sometimes, but this little AI coach helps pull us out gently. Try it tonight. Just say hello. Maybe type or speak one small thing.
Then come back to the comments. Tell us, what did you talk about first? Did it make you feel less alone? Did you smile at a kind reply? We read every word you write.
Share a sentence you practiced or how your heart felt better. Your stories remind us why we keep making these videos. Your journey matters to us.
If this slow talk touched you even a tiny bit, please give it a like. Subscribe if you want more honest conversations like this one. Press the bell so you never miss when we sit down together.
We're walking this path with you, one quiet chat at a time. Be patient with yourself. English isn't a test, it's a way to connect.
A way to connect with others and with yourself. Your AI coach can be the first safe step. Take that step tonight.
Deep breath, open the app, just talk. We'll be here waiting to hear how it went. Take good care of your heart, okay?
Take good care. See you soon, everyone. One word, one sentence, one friend at a time.